going to get the doggy up, Isaac? Good job. Oh, good job. Do you want the other boulder? Do you want to put the boulder up here? Do you want to put the boulder up there? Yeah, good. Good boy. Oh, no, we weren't watching. What happens to the boulder? Oh, see you later, Thomas. Yeah, the boulder goes in there. Want to turn the handle? Oh, good job.